Hi, I'm Linda. This is Desi.
I'm Troy, and we are Wines, Pines, and Canines. Today's adventure takes us to Henderson, North Carolina. We're going to Kerr Lake Recreation Area.
Yeah, so we are going to ease our way into some boondocking. So we thought we would go up and take a look. It is on the border of North Carolina and Virginia. They do have electric and water hookups and a dump station, and it's about $24 a night. So let's go take a look.
So the Kerr Lake State Recreation Area is located at 6254 Satterwhite Point Road in Henderson, North Carolina. Now you can make your reservations online at ncparks.gov, or you can call 1-877-7-CAMP-NC. There are 7 campgrounds inside this recreation area, but only 2 are open during the winter, and that is the Nutbush Bridge and the J.C. Cooper Campground. So in the video today, we are going to just drive around and try to give you some up-close views of all of the open sites. Now, many of these do have electric and water hookup, although some of the water hookups are farther away. So you may want to check out the details online of the site that you are looking for. In addition, there is a dump station available. Beginning here, I believe these are tent sites. They are smaller and there are no hookups on these. And we are coming up on the boat ramp, and the boat ramp is for campers only per the sign. So now it looks like we're coming up on the camping sites. This appears to be the first one, which is site number 23. That looks like a pretty small campers along right here. That's site 25. Site 27. And these do have electrical hookups here. Site 28. And for doing our pseudo boondocking, this is site 29, we'd be looking at getting a sunny site, and these right now getting a lot of sun. Of course, it is the winter and no leaves on the trees. This is site 32 here. So they're a little bit more off of the water. Coming up here, that's site 33. This is site 34A. And site 34B. Sites 38. And these look like really nice sites. Right here. Okay, so we went down first, and that was sites 23 to 79. Now we're going to go straight, which is sites 80 to 101. This is site 90. 88, 87,
84 and 83. Okay, this is site 91. '92. 95. 96. 101. Okay, so this is site 103. Kind of like this one. It's got a little deck area with a step down. It's just a little different. Nice sunny spot. And okay, so we are leaving this campground, which was the J.C. Cooper or Satterwhite Point, and we are going to head out to the Nutbush Campground, which is about 10 minutes from right here. Okay, so we are at the entrance to the Nutbush Campground, so we're going to take you down and show you there. And the one we were just at, which is the J.C. Cooper Satterwhite Point Campground, these two are the only ones that are open during the winter, and they're open 24 hours a day as well, so you can come and go as you please. This is the first site and is just across the roadway from the bathhouse. This is a handicapped site. It is an H2. Coming up here is site 83. '84. You can see the lake off in the distance as well. This is site 85. Site 86. 87. And 88. That's site 95. 94. Site 93. 92. 91. Site 90. And then you can see where the bathhouse was, and this here is site 89, and it backs up to that handicap site. Okay, so we're going down the outer loop, and this is the looks like the boat ramp here, maybe some that's like 51 actually, and 52. I believe these are tent sites. I'm not seeing any electrical hookups, although they do have some water hookups here. This is again site 53. 54 and 55. 56, again, still tent sites. And we are back into where the electrical sites are. This is site 108. 107. 106, 105, 104, and 103. Most of these sites here in the middle, they all look pretty similar in size, levelness, and depending on the time of year, how much sun or shade that you get. Okay, so this is the little boat ramp that you saw through the trees. It backs up to where those tent sites were. Okay, we just got back from the Kerr Lake State Recreation Area. Troy, what did you think?
Well, I had a good time. I was really impressed. It's a real pretty spot. It's up in Henderson, North Carolina, and it's right on Kerr Lake. It's one of the nicest aspects about this particular park is that the sites are, for the most part, nicely separate from one another. You have plenty of room to feel like you're camping. A lot of them back up to the lake. They're really nice. The only thing, some of the spots you have to back uphill a little bit. Some of the spots you had to back downhill a little bit. That could offer a little challenge to somebody, but just go slow. If you're new to camping and you're not comfortable, go slow. But I think you'll have a really nice day.
Yeah, I agree on the space between the sites. Now, obviously, Nutbush that we showed you, it was more open, so you didn't have as much wooded area. At least in this one area, it was the only area open of Nutbush. I think there's 3 areas. So, but overall, really liked it. We're probably going to go up there at some point and try a hand at boondocking. Now, it is located in about 15 minutes from Henderson,
Right.
Which is a fairly good sized town, so you could get groceries or a restaurant meal or activities there.
Yeah.
Plus there's fishing there, and I think, don't they have a marina?
Yes, they do. J.C. Cooper. J.C. Cooper is the marina. It's a typical county-run facility. You're going to have floating stainless steel wharf and docking area. I don't know about fuel so much because it's closed for the moment, but they probably have fuel. You can probably get ice, that kind of thing. They'll have nice, easy, wide boat ramps. The lake has got a real good reputation for fishing, and it's a really strong and popular spot for people that go skiing and enjoying the water.
And you do need a North Carolina fishing license, so remember that. So, there are also Wines, Pines, and Canines. There are also some wineries in the area if you were looking to do that. So, but that one pretty much wraps up this North Carolina State Recreation Area. Now, we are going to be reviewing a few others, including, I think our next one up is Jordan Lake Recreation Area in Apex, North Carolina. So if you'd like to see that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And Desi always wants you to hit that notification bell.